10 seconds.
What are you most looking forward to about this bill? Right?
I'm just the first one ever at Aintree Racecourse, making history again. I love making boxing history, and you know, cause a bit of a little stir in the boxing world. But this is great. Two title fights, two British title fights, four English title fights, and an eliminator. This is one of the best shows I've put together for a hell of a long time.
Real competitive, Bill. You're back, right?
I don't think I went far away. I was getting bored. This has given me a little bit of a buzz. You know, I've had a bit of a hard time over the last couple of months. I've not really been focused on it, but this fight, you know, working with two nice professionals like David and Sam, has really given me a sort of maybe the kick up the backside I need.
Let's talk about Aintree. Why? I mean, you mentioned history, but how did you secure that one?
You know,
where did the vision come from?
David Price told me about it, and we went up and looked at it. And you know, I went there. My father was a great horseman, took me there a few times, and I've been to race meetings there, and you know, I've seen some great sporting heroes. Those four-legged ones make history there. I thought, do you know what? If we could get this boxing here, we met, and it all fell in place. And to me, it is fantastic. I think we found a real special place for boxing.
How many people can it cater for?
It can cater for just over 5,000. We're set up at the moment for 3-6, but if we sell the way we're selling, I can see us expanding.
Talk about the big heavyweight fight, Price, Sexton. Where's your money?
Mine's on David Price. I mean, I'm not going to mince words there. You know, I want Price to win. I need Price to win. I think David is the future of boxing. He can restore real good pride, as you know, and he's doing it the right way. As Sam Sexton said today, you know, how can you fight for a title at next level if you don't win your national title? The British heavyweight belt has been held by some great fighters in the past: Henry Cooper, Lennox Lewis, Joe Bugner, Gary Mason. You know, you can go on naming them. Horace Notice. So there's something about the British heavyweight title fight.
He's still got a lot in the tank, especially as he didn't really get much of a workout in his last fight. I mean, do you expect it to be just as explosive? And
listen,
are you hoping for something like that?
You don't get paid overtime in boxing, so if you can knock them out. Yeah. I don't mind. You know, and I'm sure he doesn't mind. You know, but I don't think this fight. You know, if anyone hits you in the heavyweight division, you're going to go over. Sam Sexton hits David Price could go over, but you know, the art of heavyweight boxing and the excitement in heavyweight boxing brings out the best in everybody.
Talk about the undercard. I mean, what's exciting you about that?
The undercard, you've got Ashley Fear Payne against Steve Williams.
Exciting.
Great fight that is. You've got Travis Dickinson, who really is exciting the British public at the moment in an English title. Then you've got two other English title fights, and each corner has got a Liverpool boy coming out. So you can imagine the atmosphere and the excitement there of local boys fighting each other in title fights in front of a sellout crowd.
Are you looking to take those guys on the road as well? So very well fighting in your back garden, but
do you know what? I love going to Liverpool. Not only is that once the show's over, there's a great nightlife up there. So I love Liverpool and lovely blonde girls wandering about and everything.
So the drinks are on you there. Yeah?
They will be if we win.
Thanks for your time.
Thanks.
Hard work, dedication. Hard work. Dedication. Hard work. Dedication. And that's what we stick to.